Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 17. If y varies directly as the square root of x and y equals to 3 and x equals to 16, calculate y when x equals to 64. Now the question is saying that y varies directly as the square root of x. Y varies directly as the square root of x. It simply means that y is equals to introducing a constant k multiplied by root x. Now when y is 3 and x equals to 16, now we're using this information here to find the formula, or there's the equation connecting y and x. So that is, we're looking for the value of k when y equals to 3 and x equals to 16, k multiplied by root 16. We have that 3 is equals to k multiplied by 4. So 3 is equals to 4k. Dividing both sides by 4, which is the coefficient of k, we have that k is equals to 3 over 4. So the constant is 3 over 4, and therefore the equation connecting them is that y is equals to 3 all over 4 multiplied by roots of x. Now we're not given that when x is equals to 64, we should find y. So therefore when x is equals to 64, y will be equals to 3 all over 4 multiplied by the square root of 64, which is equals to 3 all over 4 multiplied by 8. Now 4 here, 1, 4 into 8 is 2. 3 times 2 will be equals to 6, meaning that when x is equals to 64, y is equals to 6, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.